This is a throwback to last Christmas where I did a curried mushroom for our moving tables end of year line. Strangely enough, somehow I lean towards saying mushroom curry instead of curried mushroom. But please don't start any inter-island rivalry in the comment section. It's one love, Caribbean unity. And this curry mushroom curry, is a real simple dish to make, but it packs a lot of flavor. Before we get things started with the curry, let's make a pickled red onion. For this, we're simply going to cut a large red onion in half and then cut it into strips or slices and add some vinegar. Any type of vinegar would work. Here I'm using rice wine vinegar, but feel free to use ordinary vinegar. It will taste just as good. And while this is not an integral part of the dish, the pickled onions really do add a nice contrast to the dish. Crisp finish cuts through the creamy, spicy mushroom curry. Yeah, I'm getting ahead of myself. Mix the onions with the vinegar and set aside. Doing this before we start the curry will give the vinegar enough time to give that pickled flavor to the onion. To prep the mushrooms, I simply take a paper towel or kitchen towel and gently wipe them. If you prefer to wash your mushrooms, please don't do so until you're ready to cook them, or else they will turn slimy. And we're going to saute the other half of the onion, so you want to dice that finely. And for a little heat, we mince in 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. No membrane, no seeds. You really want to go for a nice, warm, spicy finish, nothing too crazy on the Scoville scale. But if you really want to go for real heat, feel free to leave in the seeds and the membrane. For the herbs, I'm using some fine thyme and shadow benny. Unfortunately, I ran out of carapule, also known as curry leaf, and I couldn't get any in time for the shooting of this recipe. If anybody have a carapule tree, bless up your boy now. Thanks. Up next, I'm prepping the curry paste for later. You simply add in 1 pack of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder, here I'm using my very own curry blend, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. You want to bring that together with 1 cup of boiling water and make sure you combine it well. Okay, time to get this curry going. Add a few dashes of olive oil to a pan. Add the onions and saute them until they start to go translucent. This should take about 2 minutes. Add the garlic. Add the Scotch bonnet pepper. Some diced tomatoes. And then you want to season that with salt and black pepper and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now you want to add some of the fresh herbs and then add the mushrooms. You want to saute that for 2 minutes. Now add the curry mixture. Now you want to allow this to simmer for about 12 minutes or until the mushrooms are cooked and the mixture is thick and creamy in consistency. Finish it off with some fresh herbs and that's it, we're good to go. Now I don't even feel like I need to tell you this, but I'll say it anyway. This will go good with almost anything. Whether you're having it with rice, roti or bread, you're going to enjoy this to the max. I'm going in for a taste here and I really want to stop talking and just get into more eating. It's really that good. And the mushrooms really give it a real meaty kind of texture, and the curry and everything is just nice and warm and spicy. You're really going to enjoy this. Whether you're a meat eater, or vegetarian or vegan, you will enjoy this. And if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and give it a share, and please subscribe to our channel for more great content. The full recipe will be up on the website eatahfoodtt.com, and please also remember to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.